To make this paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. And now, let's start. Let's fold the paper in half first. Unfold the paper. Fold the paper in half again. Then unfold the paper. Now, let's start from this up edge forward to this crease. Now, start from this side forward to the center crease. Repeat the same for the other side. Flatten the paper out. Alright, start from this tip for straight out. And fold the paper in half this way. Match this edge to this corner to create the wings. Repeat the same for the other side. And here you go. This is the paper airplane. To make sure it's with boomerang, let's cut the end of the wings out.